Have you been thinking about starting a YouTube channel? Well, I found just the thing for you at Kmart today. 22 bucks. Stick around. Hi everyone, welcome to Creating with Ali. I'm Alison, or Ali for short. If you're new to the channel, hi and welcome. And if you're coming back for a second time, thank you so much. As promised, today I'm going to take a look at this with you. This is a vlogging kit. Now, I picked this up in Kmart today. I picked this up in Kmart for $22. So if you've been thinking about creating a YouTube channel, I say, if you have a phone and a spare 22 bucks lying around, you need to get yourself to Kmart or Kmart online and get one of these, because this is going to kick you off. Don't think you need all the fandangled equipment like the studio lighting and the big digital SLR cameras that are worth $2,500 and blah blah blah, and microphones worth $200 and all the rest. You don't need all of that. You can actually kick it off really easily with this. And for my videos, I use my iPhone for filming most of the time. Unless I'm doing something that I really want to make special, I'll grab out the Sony camera, but by the time I've hooked it up on the tripod, and you know, it just takes so long, I want something nice and simple. So this is a vlogging kit, and this vlogging kit comes with a light, a microphone, a tripod, a handle, all sorts of stuff. So let's take a look inside the box and see what you can get for 22 bucks to begin your vlogging or YouTube channel. 22 bucks is all it takes to get excited. I could have saved myself a lot of money at Christmas time. Right, we've got some instructions. Let's have a look and see. We've got in here tripod. This tripod's set up so that you can hold it and stretch as you're filming yourself, or set it out on a table or a flat space and film from there. At the top, you've got this little cubby, which is nice and swivelly, and that's the tightener for that, so that keeps it and locks it in place. On top of this, you have this little mount. Now this one here is for your mobile phone because it can stretch up and down.
Here's the box. I might need it after all.
Goes in now. That one slides. That one can slide along. We want that in that one. There we go. So far so good. And then onto this one, we would like to have this one. So, good. Like I said, camera facing you. The camera's facing you. And then you have all these little bits and pieces up here. Now they are for your microphone. This bit here, hooking in there. You use the little wheel to tighten her up. So there we go, looking good so far. And the other hot shoe here, at the top is for a little light. So you even get a little light. Now, did they give batteries? I seriously doubt. Let me go get some batteries. That's something that we do have a lot of in this house. Surgical masks and batteries. Because that's what happens when you're in the apocalypse. It works. So it has a little winder here. Ooh, brightness. Bright. Very low. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright, turn her off. So this little jobby is going to go into the top bit. So there's the light. This is looking good, isn't it? For 22 bucks. This is alright. God, it does. It looks like a cat's paw. Look. Meow, meow. I wonder what happened to the other cat. So you can take off this little one, which looks like one of the soldiers at the Queen's Palace. And then you can put on your dead cat. Get on there. Alright, there it is. And this is used as a windsock. So when you're out and it's really windy, what will happen is it won't make all that horrible sound coming through on your microphone, like that sound. Keep this in a safe space. Now you have got here 2 different cords, 3, and one has 2. And I believe that the 3 is, I just figured out what the cables are for. This one here, the little 2, this one here, the little 2 one that has the 2 little black lines, that one there is for a camera, digital camera. Okay, so the one that I have in is for a mobile phone, so that's the difference between the 2 cords. One's for a digital camera, one's for the mobile phone. Glad we sorted that one out. We can all sleep tonight. And then that would need to go into your phone. Now, if you have an iPhone, that's not going to go into your iPhone anymore, because they keep making products and changing the connections, so that you have to keep purchasing from them, because that's what you do when you live in a corporate world. And you're going to need a little plug. So there's a little connector that you can get for your iPhone. If you have an iPhone, you'll know what I'm talking about. And that will go into that and then into your iPhone. So when you are using this system, you'll be able to pick up your sound. This is the rig. Phone in here, plug your mic in, switch your light on, and start filming. And even better, if you have something that you'll want to just film, you can plonk this down on the table, just your camera down to whatever it is that you're filming, and away you go. And even if it's on your desk, so if you're wanting to do a little bit of artwork and put some artwork, you can just tilt this down. So you can move that little ball joint and you can tilt it right down so you can actually film what's on your desk. So this, for $22, is a terrific little filmmaking jig. Especially if you're just wanting to start out and do it really, really cheaply, this is perfect. I wish I had this when I first started, because all I used it was this, holding it, which was never really a good idea, which is why I ended up having to, and I've got my phone off my case, but I had to put one of these on, because one day when I was doing this, it fell out of this and ended up cracked on the pavement. So I ended up putting one of these on the back so I can stick my finger through it. So when I do my filming for the Candid Tourist channel, I've always got my finger in the back of that and turning it around, because I don't want to have to buy another phone again. But like I said, I got this one from Kmart. I know you can buy up these little rigs and with other brands as well. This is from the Anko brand. I'm pretty sure the Anko brand is a Chinese branded product. So Anko, and that's where Kmart get most of their stuff now. Well, there you have it, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's a little bit different to the ones I usually have on this channel, but you know, mixing it up a little bit, nothing wrong with that. Gotta mix up life. Gotta mix up things in life. Keep it spicy. So, I whacked myself in the face with the cork then. So this is a great little buy for anyone who wants to get started in their filmmaking or even into their vlogging. And I'd like to thank you all for sticking around this long watching the video. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe if you want to, no pressure at all, and keep creating. I will see you in the next one. Bye.